This tutorial demonstrates an app user interface walkthrough of Auction Pro. First section of the app is the dashboard. The dashboard provides information relevant to your store, such as notifications, unfulfilled auctions, popular auctions, and statistics relevant to your auctions. There are also links to quickly create auctions, view documentation, and to get support. The next section is the auctions section. The auctions section allows you to view and search all of your auctions. This example does not contain any auctions because no auctions have been created. There are separate tabs allowing you to view active, complete, unfulfilled, draft, and archived auctions. The settings section currently contains information pertaining to the settings of Auction Pro. Currently, your theme settings can be changed, and more settings will be added in the future to further allow customization of Auction Pro. In display settings, this section allows you to configure and customize the appearance of your auction for vintage themes. If you are using app blocks, the appearance of your auctions can be configured through the Shopify theme editor. More information is available in the documentation section. In the documentation section, video and written tutorials can be referenced to learn how to use Auction Pro. There's a wide array of documentation to view, and users can easily learn how to use Auction Pro from this section. Lastly, the support section contains information on how to receive any help and support for Auction Pro. You can also provide feedback and suggestions if you would like to provide any. In addition, you can also change your subscription if your current subscription does not meet your current needs. And that's a quick tour of the user interface of Auction Pro.